सबसे पहले मेरी वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करिए ताकि जो भी मेरी वीडियोस हो आप तक पहुंच जाए। Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Devika and welcome to my video. So to moisturize my face I am using this Garnier Natural Serum Cream to moisturize my face. So I am going to use this in a dot form and apply with the help of my hand. To correct my dark circle, I am using this Miss Clary Full Coverage to correct my under eye dark circle. You can apply this near your nose or mouth area if you have any dark spot or black patches. I'm applying this on my forehead to brighten my forehead. So for foundation I am going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation and I am going to apply this in a dot form all over my face and neck. I am using my brush to blend my foundation. It's a Professional Art F80 brush. For concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my shade is medium 25 shade. I am applying this in a triangle form. And I am going to blend it with my beauty blender. It's from Forever 21 brand. I'm just going to dab it. So that my concealer don't go anywhere. So my concealer is set and now I'm going to set it with my banana powder. It's from Makeup Revolution. For this you can either use the brush or sponge. So I'm setting my under eye with the banana powder. And now I will set whole my face with this Lakme Compact, and my shade is Natural Pearl for fair skin for a matte look. So applying this powder all over my face, my neck, everywhere, because I have oily skin. So to fill in my brows, I am using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brows Kit, which comes with a small brush and tweezer. I just love it because it's travel friendly too. I just give us a natural brow look, and I just love it. For my eyes, I am using Miss Rose eyeshadow palette, and my blending brush is from Body Shop. So I am going to take this copper color and blend it nicely. It's a very pigmented eyeshadow palette. If you don't want to spend a lot money, so you can go for this. So blend it nicely. There is no any crease line. So after that, I am going to apply the dark color. It's a dark color, blackish brown, some dark color, to just give it a smoky look to my eyes. I'm applying this to my crease line, and I'm going to blend it in and out to give it a smoky look. Blend it nicely so there is no any harsh line. So for my eyeliner, I am going to use a Maybelline Super Gloss Liquid Black Eyeliner, and I love to wear wing eyeliner, so I am applying wing eyeliner. You can see my one eyes. So I am back after applying my other eyes. I'm going to use mascara. It's a L'Oreal Extra Volumizing Mascara. To contour my face, I am using L'Oreal Contour Kit. It have 2 shades, contour as well as highlight. So I am applying it on my cheekbones, jaw lines, bridge of my nose, and my forehead. It's a very good contour kit because you get both highlighter as well as the contour. So blend it nicely. For highlight, I am going to use this Dragon Heart highlighter. It's a very good highlighter. You can see it. I'm applying this on my cheeks, bridge of my nose, under my brows, my cupid bones, and my chin. For my cheeks, I'm going to apply this lipstick. It's a Max Factor lipstick in shade 745 Burnt Caramel because I don't feel like using blush. It's upon you, you can go for blush as well, but I use this lipstick. For my lips, I am going to use my Maybelline 691 Rich Ruby Shade lipstick to color my lip. I just love red color lipstick. To set my makeup, I am using NYX setting spray matte finish. So friends, this is my final look. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.